Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful gown, and here I have my basic bodice pattern, the half scale, so and of course the darts are already there. I transferred the darts on the fabric, so there's no big deal on the upper part at all. So the down part I cut 60 inches wide by 35 inches length. Okay, so and here I am dividing into two. One piece will serve as the front while the other piece will serve as the back. So I'm going to be dividing the other piece into two as well, because back panel usually have back pattern in general usually have two panels, so because the zipper is going to be in between. So here I have my already sewn darted front piece. The side darts are being sewn already, and the waist darts as well. So this is the panels for the back, and the darts have been sewn. Okay, so here I'm going to place this on the table right there, and I'm going to arrange the other pieces, the back panels. Okay, and of course one will be on one side while the other panel will be on the other side. So the idea is just to make sure it is being joined properly to make it one. Okay, so the back will be joined to the front this way, one to one side, the other to the other side. I hope you understand. And the shoulders would also be joined as well. So the idea is just, like I said, to make it one piece. Okay, and whatever you're doing here, okay, you are going to replicate the same on the down part, because the down part is going to have some pleats, so and the down part, of course, one side will be joined to one side, the one side of the back, then the other will be joined to the other side, and it's going to have this effect. So I pleated this with no measurements considered. Okay, I just ensured I pleated it all round. So, and that was all what I achieved. So right now to my sleeve, I just did something. I didn't even know what I was doing, but I just started doing something, doing pattern, whatever, and the sleeve came out beautiful, not as if it was planned. So what I did, I measured 1 inch from the edge of the paper. Okay, 1 inch inward, and I ruled the line, as you can see, and from the line I measured 12 inches up and I marked. So I will measure the remaining space that I have, and I discovered I have about 7 inches. Okay, so the 7 inches with the 12 inches that I had already measured, of course I'm going to use everything. So now for the inside, or for the width, okay, so from the edge I measured my bicep measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches, because I wanted the sleeve to be big, to have more than enough allowance. Okay, I didn't want any tight fitting sleeve at all, so I decided to add 3 inches to my bicep measurement divided by 4. I hope you understand. And of course I just began to sketch, and this is what you are seeing. I was just using my free hand to sketch. So, and this is just what I have been able to achieve. So here you can see that I am cutting it out, and also adding just little to the upper part. Okay, so, and as I'm cutting on the fabric as well, I folded my fabric, and I'm also adding like little allowances, okay, to it as well. So I'll just gathering enough allowance. I just wanted something big, so, and that was why I was just like trying to add more to it, so that it can give me that effect. So with no measurement considered as well, I'm just marking some point because I'm going to be folding, okay? Folding the side this way. So I'm just marking it. You can measure like 3 inches. You can measure, apart, 3 inches apart, or 2.5 inches apart. So whatever you want to do, just be free to explore. Yeah. So look at what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm just marking it. So, and once I'm done marking, I am trying to notch because I want to have the same, transferred, the same markings transferred on all the other sides as well. So now I'm removing my pins and I'm going to iron it, and I need some crease lines on the middle, okay, because there will be some folds on the middle of the sleeve as well. So I need to know the exact spot where my center is, okay. And here, after half an inch down, I'm measuring 3 inches, okay, apart. I want a kind of twisted effect on the middle of the sleeve. The sleeve is looking somehow strange. So, but it's like I had an idea of what I want, but I didn't really know how to go about it. So I just decided to start, and I was just flowing with it. So this is what I have, and of course I have to transfer the point onto the other piece as well. So opening it this way, okay. So here I will jump it and move to the next, and I'll pick the point, then twist this way, all right, and I will pin. The material is thick and I love it. It didn't need any lining and it's very full on the body. I just love the fabric, and it's stretchy. One side is stretchy. So I'll move to the next point and twist this way. Then I will pin as usual. So, and look at what I have right now, okay? So I'll open it up and look at the right side. This is the wrong side. So the first point by the side, from this point I will just pick it this way, fold down, okay. And when you fold down, you fold over 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch. But in my own case, I folded over 3/4. This way I'm folding it over 3/4 of an inch. And I will pin. Now, when you fold down, when your fold on the wrong side is facing down, you should know that it's going to be on the reverse side, okay, when it comes to the right side of it. So whatever you do on the wrong side, opposite of it is what is going to appear on the right side. So you can see my folds on the wrong side is facing down. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. So this is what I have, right? So here I'm going to measure 1 inch inside, okay, because I'm going to be folding over this way. All right, so I'll just overlock this edge, okay, and I'm going to stitch the folds down. And I will stitch the twist also on the middle of the sleeve. And I'm supposed to gather the upper part this way, but I'm not going to gather. I will pleat it. And the reason is because this fabric is very thick. I was trying to gather, but it wasn't really working. The thread was breaking, so I decided to pleat instead. Okay, so I had already marked 1 inch inward, and I've already traced it. The line is there already. So once I'm done this way, I will just bring the sides together. Now, because I'm going to be folding 1 inch on another 1 inch, so which means I will just put it together and stitch 2 inches, okay, because I'm going to be folding it this way. So I will stitch 2 inches right from the hemline, measure 2 inches up. So right now I am done stitching the folds, okay, and I will also finish the hemline together. So once you fold the hemline, you fold 1 inch this way, okay, that is after you have joined the sides together. Then you now close it up, okay. So, and once you are done with that, I will fix it to the armhole. So just ensure that just gather it, just ensure that let it be well gathered and let it fit into the armhole, because it is likely as you are trying to attach it to the armhole, it will be like more, there will still be like some allowances on the sleeve. But just ensure, if it's folding, fold. If you need to fold again, do the needful so that it can really fit in well on the armhole, okay. So, and that will be all. So once I am done with all of this, I am going to show you how it looks. So you can see here, I was trying to gather, but it wasn't just working, okay. So I now pleated instead. So I'll be showing you the outcome of this dress, okay. So guys, this is the outcome, and the sleeve is looking good. So for the collar, if you want to know how to do the pattern or make this type of collar, then you can let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.